Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to use certificate whenever we are making Salesforce Apex callouts. If you are using HTTP REST API, and then if you wanted to make HTTP callouts using Apex, and for authorization, if you wanted to set the client certificate, then you can make use of setClientCertificateName method in the Apex code. For example, here I uploaded a certificate with the name test certificate and the unique name is test underscore certificate. Please make a note of the unique name and make sure the active checkbox is enabled. If the active checkbox is not enabled and if it is turned off, then we should not do an Apex callout using that particular deactivated certificate. Whenever we make that HTTP request, we have a method called setClientCertificateName. In that we have to pass the unique name of the certificate. Once we set this, we can do our HTTP send request so that the certificate information will be passed along with the Apex callout. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample Apex code which was referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.